Welcome to Abstalras. In this video, I will show you how to open YouTube Studio. If you want to publish videos on YouTube, you need to go to YouTube Studio. To do that, open youtube.com in browser, log in using your Google or Gmail account, then click your profile icon and select YouTube Studio. Type your name and YouTube handle. YouTube handle will be your YouTube channel name. Once your YouTube channel is created, you will be inside YouTube Studio. So after you select name and handle, click create channel. And this is YouTube Studio. This method was for a brand new YouTube channel and for people new to YouTube Studio. If you already have got a YouTube channel, simply go to studio.youtube.com. Log in using your Gmail or Google account and you will be inside YouTube Studio. Or go to youtube.com and log in, click profile icon, select YouTube Studio, and YouTube Studio will be opened. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.